Hi, in this video, I'm going to explore the future of sex robots, and what they could mean for the future of human relationships. What if you could have a robot as your best friend, or even better than that? Well, in this video, I'm going to explore what the future may hold for our relationships with robots. Some people think they can replace human-based interaction altogether. Others believe these machines will provide an entirely new level of intimacy and connection between people. I want to get your thoughts on the matter, and find out what you think about these machines. Will they replace human interaction or provide a whole new level of intimacy? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Also remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. What are fembots? In recent years, the idea of dating a robot has become more and more popular. With the rise of tech companies like Boston Dynamics and SoftBank, it's not hard to see why. These companies have created some of the most realistic and advanced robots to date, and they're only getting better. Fembots are artificial intelligence or sex robots that are designed to look and act like a real woman. These robots are equipped with sensors and motors that allow them to respond to touch and movement. Some of these robots even have artificial intelligence that allows them to learn and remember information. How do fembots work? Sex robots, or fembots, are designed to look and act like real women. They are usually made from silicone or latex, and they have sensors that allow them to respond to touch. Most fembots also have artificial intelligence, which enables them to carry on conversations and learn about their owners. Many people believe that sex robots could one day replace human relationships. However, there is still much debate about the ethical implications of using them. Some people argue that sex robots objectify women and contribute to gender inequality. Others argue that they could provide a safe and consensual way for people to explore their sexuality. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use sex robots is a personal one. The benefits of using a female pleasure robot. In a world where fembots are becoming increasingly popular, it's important to consider the benefits of using one. For starters, fembots are great for helping women to explore their sexuality. With so many different features and settings, fembots can provide a unique and customized experience that is tailored to each individual's needs. Additionally, fembots can be used as a way to reduce sexual anxiety or explore new sexual fantasies in a safe and controlled environment. And thanks to their advanced AI capabilities, fembots are also able to learn and adapt over time, becoming more and more attuned to their owner's desires. Most pleasure robots now are little more than slightly animated sex dolls. Perhaps the most advanced fembots that we know of is Samantha. Samantha is designed to be capable of enjoying sex. But Samantha is not all about that. She can also talk about science and philosophy. She can even tell jokes. Challenges and issues with female pleasure robots. As anyone who has ever watched an episode of Westworld can attest, fembots can be both angels and devils. On the one hand, they provide a service that is tailored specifically to please their male customers. On the other hand, they are often portrayed as being subservient and lacking in agency and independence. This dichotomy is reflective of the challenges and issues that fembots currently face in the real world. While there is clearly a demand for female pleasure robots, there is also a growing awareness of the potential dangers that they pose. As fembots become more realistic and lifelike, there is a risk that they will reinforce harmful gender stereotypes and promote sexual objectification. In addition, fembots could potentially be used as a tool for domination and control, with abusive partners using them to satisfy their own needs while disregarding the wants and needs of their partner. As fembots become increasingly prevalent, it is important to consider both the potential benefits and risks that they pose. To summarize, sex robots, or fembots, have the potential to revolutionize sex and relationships as we know them. They could help people explore their sexuality in a safe and consensual way, provide relief for those with sexual dysfunction, and offer companionship for those who are lonely. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed before female pleasure robots can become mainstream. We need to figure out how to make them affordable and accessible, ensure that they are safe and healthy for users, and create an ethical framework for their use. Are you excited about the possibilities of fembots? Or do you think there are too many unanswered questions? Let us know what you think.